I think the thing that really makes Gower College Swansea stand out is the number of channels of support available, particularly in my application to Cambridge University to study medicine, which really helped me secure that place.
So what made me first want to study at Gower College Swansea was the range of employability support that they offer, and they actually helped me gain the job that I'm in now.
After doing my GCSEs, I knew that I wanted a career working with data. The Better Jobs, Better Futures team arranged for me to talk to employers, and they also offered one-to-one support with my CV and also help with mock interviews.
Gower College Swansea helped me think about the future because of the support and the guidance they've given me, and also showing that no matter who you are, where you're from, everyone has potential.
The college offers a range of staff in a variety of roles who are all working on a face-to-face basis with our students, and their role is to provide the support, the solutions, the answers to help our students get back in the classroom and workshops and achieve their full potential.
As one of the student support officers at the college, we help with a range of different issues such as anxiety, depression, debt, budgeting, bereavement, and we like to think of our service as very informal.
At Gower College Swansea, we want our students to feel supported throughout their whole journey. We want them to thrive and be the best versions of themselves.
What's really good about the college is not just you come here to learn, it's the fact that you've got people here who actually care about you.
The college gave motivation for me to carry on with my studies, to carry on with talking to people, and also carrying on to be the person I am today.
At Gower College Swansea, we make sure that our students are good to go regardless of the path that they choose.
Thanks to the college, I'm good to go.
I'm good to go.
Our students are good to go.